Knee pain is a common complaint among people of all age groups. Knee pain can be caused by excessive use, bone density, as well as wear and tear of the muscles and tissues. Vitamin deficiency is also a known cause of knee pain, particularly if the body lacks calcium, vitamin D, and iron. Someone who lacks vitamin D and calcium is at risk for arthritis and inflammation of the joints. The treatment for knee joint pain depends on the cause of the problem. If the pain is severe and you are unable to move your knee, then you need to see a doctor for proper treatment. In extreme cases like severe arthritis, you require medication or maybe surgery. But if the pain is moderate, you can successfully treat at home. Many people do not realize that the moderate knee pain can be treated at home with natural ingredients which will leave them pain-free in just a matter of a few days. In this video, we are going to see 10 natural ways to prevent and relieve knee pain. Number 1. Ginger. Ginger works wonders for your knee pain as it has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps to improve your immunity. For health issues like arthritis, muscle strain, or injury, ginger is a powerful remedy which helps in reducing the pain. Add a little piece of fresh ginger to a cup of water and boil it. You can add honey and lemon juice for better taste. You can have 2 to 3 cups of this ginger tea daily until the pain is gone. Use ginger oil to massage the affected knee area twice a day for better results. Number 2. Turmeric. Turmeric is a magical spice that has a very long history of medicinal use. This yellow spice contains a powerful anti-inflammatory compound called curcumin. The compound helps you to reduce the knee joint pain and inflammation. Add ginger and turmeric in a glass of water and boil for 12 to 15 minutes. You can add honey or lemon juice for taste. You can also mix turmeric with milk and drink it. Another option is to take 250 to 500 mg turmeric capsules 3 times a day. Number 3. Lemon. Lemon serves as an effective remedy to relieve knee pain, swelling, and inflammation. The citric acid present in lemon helps to lower uric acid in your body, which causes certain types of arthritis. There are a variety of ways to use lemon to reduce knee pain. Put tiny slices of lemon in a cotton fabric and soak it in warm sesame oil. Place the cloth on the affected knee for 5 to 10 minutes. Do this twice a day until the pain is gone. Apart from this, you can also drink lemon tea, mix lemon with water and have it on a daily basis for better metabolism. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is an excellent source in reducing knee joint pain. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to get relief from chronic pain like arthritis. It helps to restore the lubrication in the joints, which reduces the pain and makes it easy for you to move your legs. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it daily before going to bed. You can also add some amount of it in your water bathtub and drown knee for 20 to 25 minutes. Another way to use apple cider vinegar is to mix it with coconut oil and apply on the affected knee area to relieve the pain. Are you enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share with your friends to help the channel. Number 5. Cayenne pepper. The red spice contains an active component called capsaicin, which helps treating knee joint pain. It acts as a natural pain reliever because of its anti-inflammatory properties. You can prepare a mixture by adding 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper powder in half cup of warm olive oil. Applying this paste on the injured area twice a day for at least 1 week will give better results. Number 6. Epsom salt. Epsom salt contains magnesium and sulfate, which are both powerful pain relieving agents. Magnesium, in particular, plays a significant role in reducing inflammation in the affected area. One of the most effective ways to use Epsom salt for knee pain relief treatment is through a soak bath. Add a cup of Epsom salt into a tub of water and soak yourself in it for 30 minutes. You can also add essential oils such as peppermint oil for a better effect. Doing this bath once a day would be enough to relieve knee pain. Besides this, the Epsom salt bath helps to improve your blood circulation, which helps to reduce the pain in your knee joint area. Number 7. Massage with essential oils. Massaging is an excellent way to get relief from the symptoms of knee and joint pain. Using essential oil for massaging your knees is even more effective. As per some studies, ginger and orange essential oils work quite well in getting rid of knee pain. Number 8. Mustard oil. Mustard oil has excellent benefits in healing all kinds of ailments in your body, including knee pain. It helps to stimulate blood flow in the veins around the knee and reduce pain in muscles and joints. Add a clove of chopped garlic into the mustard oil. Apply some mustard oil on your palm and massage it on your injured knee. For the best results, do this as many times as possible on a daily basis. Number 9. Coconut oil. There are a number of ways to use coconut oil to relieve knee pain. You can include coconut oil into your diet or apply it onto your knee joints. You can massage coconut oil with other ingredients such as camphor or essential oil. Massaging your knee using coconut oil will help to improve the blood circulation, which will help to accelerate the healing process of your knee pain. Number 10. Heat and cold therapy. Heat and cold treatment can be effective to ease joint pain that results from arthritis. Heat relaxes muscles and improves lubrication, leading to a reduction in stiffness and pain. Use a heat pad or a hot water bottle on the affected area of the knee to relieve the pain. Cold treatment can help relieve joint pain, swelling, and inflammation. Wrap a gel ice pack in a towel on knee area for quick relief. Apart from these natural home remedies, performing low-impact exercises can also help to relieve knee pain. Consult your doctor if the pain is severe and lasts for a long time. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more health tips and healthy recipes, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.